Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable notifications on Bumble. Now let's begin. Right here's the Bumble application. I had already installed it and logged in. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then as you can see, right here's Bumble. Let's simply go to Profile. The button's right here at the bottom left, and here's my profile. Let's go to Settings right here. Once you're on the Settings page, simply scroll down till you see something like Notification Settings. Click on it right here, and this will open up. Well, there are lots of notifications that you can turn on or turn off. Click on any one of them, and this will pop up. Well, as you can see, the notifications are now enabled. In case you want to disable them, toggle off this button, and there you go. Let's try for others. I'm gonna disable these notifications as well. And guys, that's it. That's how we disable notifications on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.